Hey, I'm Sarah, Kimiko's Media Maven. In today's video, Furniture Guru Tamara will show you how to create customized signatures and templates in Outlook.
Next, in our helpful tips for our Outlook is setting up email signatures. So if you go into just new email and you go over to signature, you can go into signatures here. So I have multiple inboxes and it actually pulls all the email signature options available. So this is actually my ASID email template, and here is my standard template. Something you can easily set up with signatures that I don't think a lot of people think about and use is if you have frequent times that you're out of office or your head's down or you're going to be doing something or your schedule is important, you can just copy everything in your signature and create a new one. And then you can just go in at the very beginning that just says, please note on Fridays, I am heads down and may respond slower to emails. So you can have that set up as a separate signature. And so you can still set up your default over here, of course, new messages. I automatically have this one. And I actually have replies and forwards to still have my full email signature. Your email signature, as a good best practice, should always have your full name, your title, the company you work for, your cell phone, and your email. So just having all of that in there just makes it to where no matter who your email gets forwarded to, it's going to be able to come back and be able to reach you, because it doesn't always show like a full email address or a phone number or contact. So just make sure you're, even on replies and forwards, I still have it set up this way. And then you can also set up as a template file. This includes branding information. So these are branding fonts and sizes based off of Kimiko's branding. And so I can go ahead and I can take that and I can do signature template file. And so now all of that formatting is already done for me and I don't have to do it manually. So this has that font size, it's already bolded and it's in the red. And then you've got the body of the email, and then there's also the bold action items. So this is just a way to do that using the signatures. You can also do that using templates. I actually have a template set up over here that's actually Zoom. So it's all of my Zoom information, and it's just like a Word document that you can easily import. So you can, it's a copy and paste. You paste whatever information you want over there. I have my Zoom meeting information because it's really handy to not have to go into Zoom to send the calendar invite, things like that later when all the information stays the same, and I can just copy and paste. And it's really easy to be able to do that. And I've even went ahead and added the text, can we hop on a Zoom, and then the meeting information.
Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial was helpful. For more furniture fun, head over to our tips and tricks playlist. And don't forget to subscribe below and comment and let us know what else you'd like us to cover. See you in the next one.